Esther here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for another paper perk. We are now at paper perk number 14, and I've made some little autumn or fall, let's say, plaques or banners or tags. So I'm just going to cut them out and be back. Okay, so I've cut everything down. Have the little ones here, and then I have these ones. So what I'm going to start with is I want to make an envelope. So I have here my tea stain paper, which I'm going to cut in half. And if you are not familiar with the paper perk printables, so the paper perks are free printables that you can download from the Facebook group. You have a link under the video how to get to the Facebook group, and then you can download all the printables there, all the free printables there, the paper perk Facebook group. So I'm going to just fold this to create a little envelope, and want to ink all the edges, and basically you can make a few of those, different sizes of course. Ink the back a little bit. So if you want to make this sort of a happy mail for someone, or if you want to add it to a junk journal, that would dictate how you are going to go about this, because if you're going to attach it to something, then there's no point in embellishing the back, obviously. But if you want to leave this separate, then you might want to also decorate the back. So I don't want to. I'm going to attach it to my junk journal, so I'm just going to attach the sides. And then I have my envelope. Oops. Not enough glue. Sometimes it happens. Okay. So once I have this, I want to make a little card to go inside. So I'm just going to cut another piece. I like the look of the torn edges. That is why I'm not using my trimmer. I could if I wanted to. So I'm going to make sure that it fits. Yes, fits perfectly. So I'm going to leave this one. No, I'm just going to tear that. This is quite thick paper. Okay. So I'm going to ink all my edges. And then I'm going to decorate the card and the envelope. So I want to use these two. So this one is going to go here. Always like to ink the edges because it makes everything really pop and it gives it a really nice definition. Okay, so what I want to do is add a little bit of, I ran out of cheesecloth, so I'm just using simple bandage. I'm going to fray it a little bit, like this. And I also have, I got this from a bouquet of flowers that I received. That was around the bouquet. And I thought it's really cool to use. Obviously a little bit falls apart because, but I think it's really pretty. It has nice texture to it. So just thinking, we'll have to get rid of some of this because it does fall off a little bit. But it gives it a really cool look. I think that I don't like the edge because it is too straight. So I'm going to get a bigger piece of this and then give it a trim like this. First time I've tried to use it. Let's see if I like it or not, because it does fall apart a little bit. So first you have to get rid of everything that is not glued, because it does have some kind of glue on it. But it is cool. I'm not sure now that I'm going to use this, maybe just a small piece. Okay, so let's glue this down. I was thinking of making it a page in a junk journal, but since it really doesn't hold very well, not sure. I'll have to see if it works. So just glue this down as much as possible. But this looks really, the color is amazing. So it does have like a contrast with this. So I'm just going to attach this and then look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then add a little bit of that bandage here, like this. And maybe a little contrast with another piece. Or maybe this one. This one is the same design, so it will be too boring. Nope, I think we'll go with this one. Yes, I really like this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So this one can go in here. Fits nicely in this envelope. What I think I'll do is maybe cut a little bit diagonally just a little bit, so it will be easier to insert this and take it out. Okay, it's not very straight. Okay, it's better. So now it will go in much easier. Okay, so this is the card. Let's get rid of all this. Now let's embellish the envelope. So I want to put this on the front. Let's ink the edges. A little bit of fussy cutting here. And maybe we'll put this as well. Yes, I really like that. So again, I'm not embellishing the back because I want to put it in my journal. But this can be really pretty together. Just a hint, not too much. No, I don't like this. So we have our envelope and our card. Push it out of the way. This looks pretty cool. I really like how this turned out. These are our supporters projects. You can find the video under the supporters tab, or not the supporters tab. You can go ahead to Ko-fi. You have a link in the description under the video. And then in the gallery, you can go ahead and see all the supporters, extra printables, videos, materials. So if you become a supporter, a one-time supporter or a monthly supporter, you will get the videos to make these projects and see how to make those. So it really helps when you become a supporter, and then you also get some extra tips and extra videos. So I really hope you like this tutorials and these autumn printables. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.